192.168.1.233.
Alright, let's do the system setup here. So let's pull up a browser and get into our system address. And we need to log in. Let's do the username and the password. Okay, so right under the audio devices, there is a zip accounts. So as you can see, we already created some zip accounts here. So just click on the add button to create a new zip account. So the zip number has to be unique. Let's do the password ZYCOO 2020 and click on the submit button. And for the next step, we need to move on to the devices. So click on the add button to create a new device. So we need to put in some information here, like type and the name and the zip number. So let's do the name demo SC15 steering speaker. And the zip number I believe is 3004. And click on submit. Remember to click on the activate button. Alright, so for now we have created a new zip account. So let's get our speaker to register into our system. So we need to log in into our speaker's IP address. So as usual, the username and password are both admin. So it will show you that register status is failed. So click on the zip settings, zip accounts. So we need to fill in the server's address, user ID, and the password that we just created from the systems. Okay, and click on the submit button. So when we go back to the device info, it should show you that the device has registered. Let's go back to our system page. Where under the audio devices, there is a group. So click on the add button. So we need to fill in the group numbers, names, and devices here. So for name, let's do demo speaker groups. In this case, we only have one speaker. So for the devices, let's choose our SC15 steering speaker. And click on the submit button. Okay, activate. Alright. Okay, so the next step would be creating the dispatch user. So for creating a dispatch user, just click on the settings, dispatch user, and we already have one dispatch user already. So click on the add button. So input the username. Let's do demo dispatch user, and password as usual ZYCOO 2020. Okay, and you can give different permissions to the dispatch user. And for the access level, we have implemented a total number of 12 different access level, from the highest one to the lowest 12. After that, we need to assign the groups to the dispatch user. Let's choose the the group that we just created and click on the submit button. So click on activate. So when we go back to the groups page, we can see that the demo dispatch user is one of the dispatch user for that group that we just created. Okay, let's pull up our IP audio dispatch console and log in into the account with the dispatch user account that we just created. Password ZYCOO 2020. Okay, after we log in, we can see that our demo SC15 is listed as one of the devices on the panel. And let's test out here.